Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Sorry I haven't done one of these for a couple of months. I've been getting too excited on opening up the parcels and cutting them straight away. Um, so yeah, I've been dealing with a lot of shiny Cooper stuff from Mark the Blacklighters and Harry's Opals. As always I get them from Harry's, but I've been getting some nice stuff from the Blacklighters over at Cooper This video is quite a special one because I now have something nice and shiny. I have Nova Points, a nice set of those from Harry's. So not only do they do opals now, they do Novas, which is going to improve my cutting a lot better and the polishing too. So yeah, let's get into this package from Harry's. Uh, First off, I got this nice amethyst. Harry decided he was going to throw something unusual into the opal package as a special. And I got this nice purpley amethyst gemstone to add to my collection. So it's quite nice. It's going to sit in my display for a while. And I also won this on one of the special giveaways. Some nice polished boulder opal. Right, let's get into it. So the first piece of this boulder opal with some nice shiny colour flashes. It does flash up a lot more than this. There's some real fiery reds that flash up. There we go. There it is. So that one's nice and shiny. And I have this, I think is Mintaby. It's my first piece of Mintaby. This does have some colour under the skin. It should be an interesting one for me to cut because it's my first ever piece. And then this is Lightning Ridge, I think. Could be wrong, could be Cooper PD. But it was thrown in with the Lightning Ridge and Cooper PD, so it's a bit of a mixed bag. This is definitely Cooper PD. Look at that. Look at that colour. Oh, tiny piece, but look at that colour. Another piece of Cooper PD crystal. Again, just the colours are lush. Don't know what Mark's been doing, but they've been finding some nice stuff at the moment. So go check out the Blacklighters if you can. Bit of Lightning Ridge. Let's just show you what's in the water. Probably the easier option. So all of that is my Lightning Ridge material. Some interesting pieces. A few bits of colour showing through on those. They're just hiding. They did look marvellous on Harry's Lucky Opals videos on the auction. So I know there is colour there. And then the Cooper PD stuff. Just lights up. Thin crystal piece. Don't know if I've shown that bit. Again, colours are awesome. I've been really enjoying cutting the Cooper Pedy stuff. So yeah, that's my parcel. I want to say if that is my meant to be piece, which I think it is, that was also mined by the Black Lighters before they moved to Cooper Pedy. But yeah, just a quick one really. Just to let you guys know I'm doing well and I'm still cutting. I'm up to 43 opals cut now in the last 6 months, and I've only been cutting 6 months, so it's not too bad. I'll try and show a few more cutting videos when I can. Hope you guys have fun, and I will catch you later. Bye.